can any plants survive without water? Not really. But your indoor plants may now be able to live with minimal watering in this oxo-biodegradable bag. Just soak the colorful hydrogel in water for 8 to 12 hours, and it will be able to supply water to your plants for more than a week. This product was launched at Garden Tech 2009, organized by the National Parks Board. It's a joint creation by a local firm Winrigo and students from the Singapore Polytechnic. And besides reducing water consumption, this gardening technique will also reduce the risk of mosquitoes breeding, as there won't be any water residue in the bag with the use of hydrogel. How is it more eco-friendly than
Basically, this is a garden in OXO bag. Okay, this plastic is actually made of OXO biodegradable. You actually can biodegrade once you plant directly in the soil, and we come with a super gel inside it. You actually can reduce the frequency of watering of your plant.
Most importantly, Terry hopes that more young Singaporeans will be enticed to adopt gardening in their lifestyle, since the product makes gardening relatively easy.
When you plant more, you actually absorb more CO2 back to the plant, so to reduce the carbon footprint in Singapore.
This year's Garden Tech boasts more than 140 booths, featuring a whole range of eco-friendly innovations, from wood substitute building materials to chemical-free skincare and sun care products. And in the next part, we'll check out how this humble-looking fashion can help reduce pollution to our environment.
At just under 10 grams, meet one of Asia's simplest eco-solutions. Lynxskin is the first spectacle frames in the world to be fashioned out of rubbish. It all started when Nanyang Optical, a Singapore eyewear company, entered the Red Dot Design Competition in 2007 with a discarded old file.
We cut it into the shape of a frame front, okay? And then we attach a metal bar to it together with a pair of temple, and then it becomes a frame. And with this frame, we won the award in 2007. And that encouraged and also inspired us to start thinking of making spectacles from rubbish. That's it.
So what the eyewear company uses to create the link skin are these: used plastic lenses and contact lens covers. Every 2 months, all 12 outlets surrender everything plastic in its recycling bins. This is then transported to a designated factory. After systematic sorting and crushing, the chips go into a machine for extrusion into plastic pellets. Additives and other pigments are added for color and durability. Instead of brand new manufactured plastic, this recycled plastic becomes the main material for the frames.
I think it is Asia's simplest solution because simply by making a switch in the selection of material at the design concept level, it opened up a new way of innovation because plastics can be recycled. And this is something which people are not very aware of.
The idea behind this green technology might have been simple, but the effort to produce it en masse was anything but. It took Dr. Li Hui-mian from Simtech 1.5 years to come out with an ideal prototype that fulfilled both aesthetical and functional requirements. The frames had to be durable, ultra-flexible, and be able to withstand high temperatures. The key to that was the type of recycled plastic used. The R&D team went through more than 5 rounds of different tests with various polymers just to get the best plastic.
I guess the most interesting thing about this invention is that at the end of the life cycle, or when the user wants to throw away the specs, this product can be made into another plastic product. Looking at it, we are quite sure that it could be recycled at least 2 to 3 times.
An average of 8 weeks is needed to produce one set. No wonder they retail at $170 per pair. An ordinary pair of plastic glasses would usually cost typically about $60.
Our annual sales is at the moment still below 100,000 pairs. We're still a young baby, but we believe that very soon we will hit the target.
One of the most innovative things that it has done is that it has added in aesthetic values to recycled products. It shows that recycled material can be fashionable, can be chic, and it can be used in our daily life.